Hello everyone, let us discuss the another topic in the biochemistry genetics, that is Hardy-Weinberg population genetics. Hardy and Weinberg are two different scientists that give the equation in the different time. So by combining those two equations, the name comes Hardy-Weinberg population genetics. So the Hardy-Weinberg population genetic is a mathematical equation. It is the mathematical equation that can be used to calculate the genetic variation of the population at equilibrium. The Hardy-Weinberg population genetic states that the amount of genetic variation in a population will remain constant from one generation to another generation in the absence of disturbing factors. So what happens? Let us draw here some square box, and as a rule we know that it becomes the AA. Sorry, I will write from another marker. So it becomes AA P square, and it becomes AN small a PQ, it becomes AN small a PQ, and it becomes AA Q square. So it becomes like this. So what it is representing is that if P and Q represents the frequency of the alleles, then capital A and small a if P and Q represents the frequency of the alleles capital A and small a respectively in a population, then P plus Q is equals to 1, and the P square is the frequency of the homozygosity for allele A. Q squared represents the frequency of the homozygosity for allele small a. The 2pq represents the frequency of heterozygosity, the carrier frequency if an autosomal recessive disease, if it is an autosomal recessive disease. So the sum of the frequency become p square plus 2pq plus q square is equal to 1. So the frequency of an X-linked recessive disease in a male is equal to q, and in female it is equals to q square. So there are certain assumptions in the Hardy-Weinberg population law, and that includes no mutation occurring at the locus, natural selection is not occurring, there is completely random mating, and there is no net migration, and the population is very large. So these are the 5 assumptions the Hardy-Weinberg population genetics assumes. So if the population is in Hardy-Weinberg's equilibrium, then the values of P and Q remains constant from one generation to another generation. So this is the concept of Hardy-Weinberg population genetics. Thank you.